Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely stunning Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. Here we have a Harley-Davidson Low Rider S 117. This is a 2026 bike on a 75 plate with just 23 miles and one owner from new. This bike is in excellent condition and comes presented in the excellently named Red Rock Metallic paint scheme. Looks absolutely superb in this colour, I have to say. Very, very retro indeed. As you can imagine, the bike is in pristine condition with not a mark on it and absolutely nothing to apologise for. The bar ends and the lever and the mirror all in excellent condition as well. The bike's in more or less standard trim, so it's ripe for customisation and ready to make your own. All the engine, of course, in excellent condition, as you can see, unmarked. No marks on the lever or the pedal. The exhausts finished in the black standard exhausts, absolutely unmarked, as you can see. The rear wheel in this rather nice magnesium colour. Again, no sign of any dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. The tyres, of course, like new with just really delivery mileage, to be perfectly honest. The rear fender, again, no sign of any corrosion, no damage, no dings, dents, scuffs or scratches there. And the single seat, no rips or tears there. Of course, the Low Rider S does come as a solo machine. The headlamp cowl there, all in excellent condition as well. And of course, you get the upside down forks on this Low Rider S, and they are in excellent condition, just like the rest of this superb bike. All your front of your engine there, all unmarked, and the front wheel, as you would expect, absolutely unmarked as well. The front tyre, of course, again, plenty of life left in that with such low mileage. And the front fender in excellent condition, no stone chips, no sign of any corrosion, no dents or damage of any kind. The headlamp, again, all good, no stone chips or anything like that there. The left hand side of the bike, again, in superb condition. The mirrors on top of the bars, you can actually undersling them so they come out underneath. Just watch your petrol tank when you put it on full lock. Bar ends, levers and mirrors all in excellent condition, as you can see there. No sign of any damage. The standard indicators unmarked. Fork legs, again, all good. And the front wheel, again, in perfect pristine condition. The engine, 117 cubic inches, which is, of course, 1,923 cc. Petrol tank, all in fantastic order as well. The engine, unmarked, with no paint flaking off or any sign of any oxidisation. There's an Optimate charging lead as well. So if you do not use it very often, then you'll be able to put it on charge and keep the battery in great condition. All the seat on this side, all good, as is the rear fender and the rear wheel, belt guard, belt pulley, and the swinging arm. The top of the bike, again, the rear fender, all good. And again, the seat, no rips or tears. The FXLRS there, denoting that it is the Low Rider S. A mix of analog and digital for your dials. The bike does come with cruise control as well. So if you're looking for a super low mileage, ready to customise Harley-Davidson, look no further than this stunning Harley-Davidson Low Rider S 117. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come on a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful Harley-Davidson, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.